This is the Zip Around Wallet Clutch, style number 7241, in the color bottle green, and I would estimate it was likely made sometime in the 1990s. So as you can see, this is a larger size wallet, and it does have a zip closure here, as the name suggests, zip around. And it also has another zip closure here on the interior where you could store your coins. So I'll show you the outside real fast again. So here's the front. It's what the sides look like. And then here's the back. It's basically identical to the front. And then we'll open it again and I'll show you the interior a little bit more in depth. So like I mentioned, it's got the zip closure here where you could store your coins. And then it's got a couple of other slots here. So this one would be good for cash, and then plenty of room here and here. And then it's got another large slot along the back of this side, and then a couple slots for cards. So it's got quite a bit of storage space on the inside. So yeah, that is the Zip Around Wallet Clutch. It's in really nice condition, as you can see, and it's in this beautiful green color. And it is available now in our online store, so if you are interested in checking it out further, the link will be below in the description box. But otherwise, I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this little wallet, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.